So, doctor, often people neglect snoring. They think it is just genetics and it is common. But can snoring be dangerous, or can it be chronic, or is treatment really necessary for snoring issues?
Yes. So snoring is not normal to start with. Snoring happens when we have some blockage in nose and some partial blockage in the airway, in the throat part of the airway. So the snoring indicates that there is some partial blockage in the airway. So if a snoring happens once in a while, when we catch a cold or something like that, that's okay. When we have cold, the nose will be blocked. Snoring is supposed to happen. But continuous snoring every day for months together, years together, that is not something which we are comfortable with. Because as I said, snoring indicates partial block in the airway, and when there is a partial block in the airway, air flow to the lungs and the air supply to the body is reduced significantly. So more than snoring, there is a condition called sleep apnea, where the breathing stops for a while, for a second or two, and then the person resumes breathing. So sleep apnea is a dangerous thing. So there are levels of sleep apnea. So according to the level, we intervene. So if it is mild sleep apnea, we ask them to do certain lifestyle changes. Like for example, if the patient's BMI is more, we ask them to reduce weight, to have a healthy lifestyle and all. If the sleep apnea is very significant, yes, the person will need some sort of active intervention.